This podcast is a free sample course segment from True Solutions Incorporated, global leader in the delivery of full lifecycle project management services and products. Learn more at truesolutions.com or by calling 866-770-0903.
Estimate activity durations is the logical process of estimating time durations for each defined activity to serve as essential input information for schedule development. In simpler projects, estimates are typically documented as deterministic single-point values, that is, one number. For example, a single-point estimate may be documented as 7 days, with no plus or minus flexibility. Single-point estimates are generally less confident. In more complex projects, it is common to use sophisticated mathematics to determine probabilistic distributions for each activity. This results in a time range estimate as opposed to a single time estimate. For example, a probabilistic estimate may be documented as a graphic curve indicating the probability of an activity finishing at any given time on the curve. Probabilistic estimates generally provide more reliable information. Estimates should always be performed by a person or a group of people who have expert familiarity with the activity. In most of today's project management software, it is common to estimate activity durations in terms of work units or work periods. The project team usually determines how best to define work units for their particular projects. Typically, they are defined in terms of days, shifts, hours, or weeks.
Estimate activity duration is a planning process. This process estimates the number of work periods for each schedule activity. There are 7 defined inputs: activity list, activity attributes, activity resource requirements, resource calendars, project scope statement, enterprise environmental factor, organizational process assets. Thanks for your interest in previewing this free podcast sample course segment. TSI is the global leader in the delivery of full lifecycle project management services and products. Learn more at truesolutions.com or by calling 866-770-0903.